his winning mentality.
I still like to win. It's important to me. When I look at the reports on Saturday morning, I don't like to look at them and see that Howard Ralston had more issue than I did, or that Jason Everett had more issue than I did, or anybody else for that matter.
So he keeps pushing his branch to work harder and to achieve more. Realizing they've saturated the Gainesville market, he's sending agents like Corey Hill further afield.
We've got cases in Oklahoma, Texas, North and South Carolina, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, and of course all over Georgia. And we're constantly looking for more. Corey and Bill were in Texas this week, so they're willing to go, and they'll split up when they land, rent 2 cars, and cover the entire state in a week to 10 days. And you know, it's expensive, time-consuming. They're away from their family, but it's extremely beneficial to them because those people, those business owners, know they care enough about their employees to go out and enroll it themselves.
Here's ACS in Covington, and looks like the last message on them was left in January.
And whether it's in Gainesville or in another state, Tim Adderholt makes sure his branch does things strictly by the book. The notebook, that is.
The notebook's an excellent way to keep up with details about a business. The thing about Worksite is it's relationship building. Rarely do you walk in, show them what we do, and they say, I want to buy that. So you start by making a contact and you build a relationship. And sometimes it's over a few days, sometimes it's months, sometimes it's years before you close that business. And that notebook's an excellent way to keep up and make sure you follow up and keep touching base with them on a regular basis.
For most of the part,
It's that attention to detail that draws successful people to the Gainesville branch, like unit manager Jens Thompson.
take the state test.
If you have a leader that tells you that this is the way we're going to do it, and Tim does that. Every Monday morning, we spell out what our week's going to be like, and he keeps on with us all week long. He won't let those bad habits have a chance to creep in. And that's why I think that bad habits aren't in Gainesville, is because Tim doesn't allow them to be. It's just not acceptable. He loves this company too much to do that.
When you walk on the to the Masters, when you walk on the course, you can feel the legends there. The Arnold Palmers, the Jack Nicklaus, all those guys that have made that what it is. You've got all the memories of it at that place. Well, I've only ever felt that one other time, and that was at Candlestick Park. When we go in to play the 49ers, it's just something you could feel, like the Ronnie Lotts, the Steve Young, the Joe Montanas, all the greatness that was there. And walking in our office, that's what you feel, because I've been fortunate and blessed to be number one, but I think this year we have 6 or 7 in the top 10. I think it's going to be honored. I really don't know the number, but I know there's a bunch. So you can just feel, it's a total different feel when you walk in there. You know what's expected, you know how to do things. Do it and let's keep going.
That culture of success is evident in every nook and cranny of the Gainesville branch. The stacks of outgoing policies take on staggering dimensions. Tangible proof of the passion Tim Adderholt instills in his team.
He's very passionate about things he believes in. And he believes in this company, and it's been good to him. And it can be good to everyone.
Sometimes it amazes me what we've accomplished. And the thing of it is, we've only scratched the surface of what could be done. You know, it's just a matter of what price you're willing to pay and how hard you're willing to work. But there really is an unlimited opportunity here. But we've got a good life. The name of the boat, La Bella Vita, the good life, or beautiful life, I think is how it's actually translated. It is a good life, and that's available to everybody in the field.